Hey, hello, this is Zoe from Seneca. Today we're going to be talking about percentage yield. So, the percentage yield for any reaction is usually less than 100%. The following 5 factors cause deviations from the 100%. Unexpected reactions or side reactions can happen. This may mean that the intended product is not actually created. This reduces the percentage yield. If a reaction is carried out in water, any extracted product may be wet. This means that there is water in the extracted product. Water is generally extremely difficult to fully remove from a product. If percentage yield is calculated to be over 100%, it is likely that your product is full of water. An incomplete reaction can happen because the reaction is very slow and hasn't been given enough time to happen. The reaction is reversible, and some of the products have turned back into the reactants. So, therefore, incomplete reactions also reduce the percentage yield. Extraction, also it might be difficult to fully separate the product from the reaction mixture. This reduces the percentage yield. Finally, waste. Some of the chemicals will remain stuck to the glassware and will be wasted. This obviously reduces the percentage yield as well. So to understand percentage yield, it can be useful to imagine you are baking a cake. It is impossible to convert 100% of the starting materials into cake because, think about it, some of the mixture gets stuck to the mixing bowl or the spoon, or maybe you know what I'm talking about. Some of the mixture gets stuck to might get burnt or undercooked, etc. And in the same way, chemists never obtain as much product as they calculate they should, i.e. the percentage yield for any reaction is always less than 100%. The percentage yield of a reaction is calculated as the real yield divided by the theoretical yield multiplied by 100. So a comparison of the real and theoretical yields of a reaction is percentage yield. The real yield is the mass of the desired product obtained from a reaction. The theoretical yield, however, is the maximum mass of a product that could be created from a reaction. This can be calculated from a balanced equation if we know the mass of the reactants. So, percentage yield equals real yield divided by theoretical yield, all times by 100. Let's look at a worked example. So, a chemist wants to make 200 grams of a substance in a chemical reaction. He only makes 140 grams. Pink. What is the percentage yield of the reaction? So, let's put our values into the equation we just looked at. So the real yield, 140 grams, divided by the theoretical yield, which is 200 grams, all times by 100 gives the yield of 70. Factors that reduce percentage yield: 1. Incomplete reactions. 2. Chemical stick-to apparatus. 3. Separation difficulties. And 4. Side chains. Okay. Don't worry, you're not going to catch anything. You're safe through the screen or through your headphones. So, thank you very much for joining on this episode. That's all. Excuse me while I sneeze my life away. Goodbye.